I will fill up this two parts of the petal using bullion stitch. I will start from here, then go down from here, pick up the needle from here, put the thread round the needle at least 10 times. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Gently pull the thread, gently pull the needle up, and put the needle down here. Again pick it up from here. Leave a little bit of gap. Again pick it up from here. Go down from here. Come up. Put the thread round the needle the same way at least 10 times. Gently put the needle up. Pull the thread and put the needle down. Again come up from this side. Very simple. These two sides I am going to do this way, the bullion stitch. Put the thread around the needle. And put the needle down. That is all. This and this I am going to do this way. For this portion of the flower, I am going to do long and short stitch. I have taken a maroon shaded thread. You may take thread, any thread of your choice. Long and short stitch. Very simple stitch. Try not to leave too much of gap. That's all. A simple stitch. After completing this portion with long and short, for this portion over here, I am going to do a line of chain stitch. Just this. Put the thread round the needle and pick up the needle. That's all. Again through this, a small stitch, the thread round the needle, and pull up the needle. Take small stitches, then it will look good. Just this. That's all. This way I am going to do this portion. For the stem also I am going to do chain stitch, but in a different way. I'll do one stitch this way and another stitch this way. Slightly different way. That's all. This is how I am going to do it. It will look slightly different. That is all. I am going to fill in the leaf using satin stitch. Very simple stitch. Take the stitches close to each other. This way I am going to fill in the leaf. For this side I have taken this shade of green, and for the other side I will use this, the lighter shade of green. After completion, the design will look like this. If you have liked my video, kindly like, share and subscribe. Thank you.